If you use Firefox every day, knowing the right browser shortcut keys can save you a huge amount of time. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most useful Firefox shortcuts for tab control, basic navigation, search, bookmarks, and privacy. These are the kinds of keyboard shortcuts that make browsing faster, smoother, and much more efficient. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, let's start with tab controls. To open a new tab in Firefox, press Ctrl and T. This is one of the most common shortcuts, and it's perfect when you want to open a new web page without leaving the one you're on. If you want to close the current tab, press Ctrl and W. If you accidentally close a tab and want to bring it back, use Ctrl Shift and T. That shortcut reopens the last closed tab, which can be a real lifesaver. To move to the next tab, press Ctrl and Tab. This lets you switch between open tabs quickly without needing to click on them one by one. Now let's look at basic navigation shortcuts. If you want to go back to the previous page, press Alt and the left arrow key. This works like the back button in your browser and is very useful when browsing through multiple pages. To refresh the current page, press F5 or Ctrl and R. Both shortcuts reload the web page, which is helpful when a page is not updating correctly. If you want to jump straight to the address bar, press Ctrl and L. This instantly highlights the URL so you can type a new website or search term right away. For zooming in, use Ctrl and the plus key. This makes text and page elements larger, which is great if you want a clearer view. If you ever need to return the page to normal size, press Ctrl and 0. That resets the zoom back to default. Next, let's cover search and bookmark shortcuts. If you want to find a specific word or phrase on the page, press Ctrl and F. This opens the find box so you can search within the current web page quickly. To bookmark the page you're reviewing, press Ctrl and D. That saves the page for easy access later, which is especially useful for sites you visit often. If you want to see your downloads, press Ctrl and J. This opens the downloads list so you can check files that have been saved recently. And if you want to open a private browsing window, press Ctrl, Shift, and P. This is useful when you want Firefox to browse without saving your history in that window. These Firefox shortcut keys may seem small, but once you start using them regularly, they can make a big difference in your workflow. Instead of relying on menus and buttons, you can move through the browser much faster with just your keyboard. A few shortcuts used often can really improve your speed and productivity. If you found this Firefox shortcut guide helpful, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy browser tips, computer shortcuts, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.